Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video we learned about the internet. Today we are going to learn something very practical and very useful, how to create a Gmail account. Gmail is the most popular email service in the world made by Google. Almost everything on the internet requires an email account. So let's learn how to create one step by step in a very simple and easy way. What is Gmail?
Gmail is a free email service provided by Google. Gmail stands for Google Mail. It was launched by Google on April 1st, 2004. Today, Gmail has more than 1.8 billion active users around the world, making it the most popular email service in the world. With a Gmail account, you can send and receive emails for free. You also get 15 GB of free storage for your emails and files. Your Gmail account also gives you access to all other Google services like YouTube, Google Drive, Google Maps, Google Photos, and Google Meet, all with one single account. Simple example. A Gmail account is like a master key. With one Gmail account, you can access all Google services, just like one master key can open many different doors. What do you need to create a Gmail account? Creating a Gmail account is completely free. You need a computer, laptop, or smartphone with an internet connection. You need a web browser like Google Chrome. You also need your basic personal information like your first name, last name, date of birth, and a phone number for verification. That is all. Very simple. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and go to Gmail. Open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar at the top, type gmail.com and press enter. The Gmail login page will open. Since you do not have an account yet, click on the Create Account button. A drop-down menu will appear with two options, for my personal use and for work or business. Select for my personal use. Step 2. Enter your name. A form will appear asking for your basic information. Enter your first name in the first box and your last name in the second box. Use your real name as this will appear on all emails you send. Then click Next. Step 3. Choose your date of birth and gender. On the next screen, enter your date of birth. Select the month, day, and year from the drop-downs. Then select your gender. This information is used by Google to provide age-appropriate content and to verify your account. Then click Next. Step 4. Choose your Gmail address. This is one of the most important steps. You need to choose your Gmail address. This will be your unique email address that no one else can have. Google will suggest some usernames based on your name. You can choose one of the suggested options or create your own custom username by clicking Create Your Own Gmail Address. Your Gmail address should be simple and professional, especially if you plan to use it for work or job applications. For example, honeywell123@gmail.com is a good professional address. If the username you want is already taken, Google will tell you and ask you to choose a different one. Try adding numbers or dots to make it unique, like honey.ali2026@gmail.com. Simple example. Your Gmail address is like your home address on the internet. Just like no two houses can have the same address, no two Gmail accounts can have the same username. Step 5. Create a strong password. Now you need to create a password for your Gmail account. A strong password is very important to keep your account safe. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. It should contain a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols like exclamation mark or @. Never use simple passwords like your name, 123456, or your date of birth, as these are very easy to guess. A good strong password example is something like Ahmed@2026. It has uppercase and lowercase letters, a number, and a special symbol. Type your password in the first box, and then type the same password again in the second box to confirm it. Then click Next. Simple example, creating a strong password is like putting a strong lock on your house. A simple lock is easy to break, but a strong lock keeps everything safe. Step 6. Verify your phone number. Google will ask you to verify your phone number. This is done for security purposes, to make sure you are a real person, and to help you recover your account if you ever forget your password. Enter your phone number, including your country code. For Pakistan, the country code is +92. Enter your number without the leading 0. For example, if your number is 0312000000, enter 92312234567. Click Send. Google will send a 6-digit verification code to your phone number via SMS. Enter that code in the box and click Verify. Step 7. Add recovery email, optional.
Google will ask if you want to add a recovery email address. This is optional but recommended. A recovery email is another email address where Google can send a recovery link if you ever get locked out of your account. If you have another email address, enter it here. If not, click Skip. Step 8. Review your account information. Google will show you a summary of your account information, your name, Gmail address, and phone number. Review everything to make sure it is correct. Then click Next. Step 9. Agree to Google Terms and Conditions. Google will show you their privacy policy and terms of service. Scroll down to read them. Then click I agree to accept the terms and complete the account creation process. Your Gmail account is ready. Congratulations! Your Gmail account is now created. You will be taken directly to your Gmail inbox. Your inbox will already have a welcome email from the Gmail team. Your Gmail address is your chosen username, followed by @gmail.com. For example, honey123@gmail.com. Remember this address and your password carefully. How to send your first email. Sending an email in Gmail is very easy. Click on the Compose button on the left side. It has a pencil icon. A new email window will open at the bottom right of your screen. In the To field, type the email address of the person you want to send the email to. In the Subject field, type the subject or topic of your email. In the large text area below, type your message. When you are done, click the Send button at the bottom. Your email is sent instantly. Simple example. Sending an email is like sending a letter, but instead of waiting days for it to arrive, it reaches the other person in seconds anywhere in the world, completely free. Important Gmail tips. Never share your Gmail password with anyone. Always sign out of your Gmail account when using a public or shared computer. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code every time you log in from a new device. Always keep your recovery phone number updated so you can recover your account if needed. So now you know exactly how to create a Gmail account step by step. Gmail is not just an email service. It is your passport to the entire Google ecosystem. In our next video, we will learn about the right way to search on Google. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.